I choose the Cloud Thesaurus to load. Create a new article. Open multiple files. Save article. Export article. You can choose to save or save as on your cloud account. Click here to register an account. You can see all the articles on your account. Even you can share the article. Share the link to other people. You can add a new article or folder. Load the article from your account cloud. Double-click the name. Load the main form. Added successfully. Create a project. Input name. Keywords. Separated by commas. Description. Create articles in the project will be easier to manage many articles.